Hello, and welcome to Yarnit. Today, we're going to learn about repurposing existing published content by converting a blog into a bite-sized social media carousel post and publishing it. Let's dive in. Start by searching for your use case, such as Instagram, in the search bar, and navigate to the carousel option. Alternatively, you can open the apps from the left-hand side, go to the social category, and find your use case there. In this scenario, I'm choosing the Instagram carousel post option. My existing blog, which is about user-generated content, is what I intend to transform. Just provide your topic. Since we are repurposing content, let's use advanced settings. For this step, you can choose to provide a full text reference, upload a document, or simply add a URL. Here I am adding a URL since the blog is already published on my website. Next, I'll need to give specific instructions on how I want the carousel story to be created. It's straightforward. Simply click on Improve It. The platform will read through the link and generate some pointers. You'll notice these pointers are derived from the reference article. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate the content. In the Design section, you can choose the format, select the type of design elements you want, and relevant themes and templates will be available. You can pick one that suits your needs. If you have specific images in mind, you can upload them, or you can stick with the Yarnit recommended images. Click on Design. The slide designs are ready now. You can view any of your slides by clicking on the Project Gallery icon. Since we requested 6 slides, they're all here with appropriate images and designs. You can use the navigation buttons to move between slides. The images are licensed from Yarnit's premium enterprise partners like Getty, available for both commercial and non-commercial digital distribution through Yarnit. To change any image, click on Specials where you'll find related images for your project. Simply drag and drop your chosen image to replace it. You can also edit the text by clicking on it. Select the text, right-click, and choose AI Rephrase. You can rewrite, simplify, shorten, or use other AI editing options. Once you're satisfied with the designs and any changes made, you can download your project in various formats like PNG, JPEG, or PDF. There's also an option to get a shareable link for any design. Afterward, you can publish on social media. To publish on social media, click on the Publish icon on the top right corner. On the next console, you'll see all your image designs on the left. You can still rearrange the sequence. Your post's applicable title and description will be displayed on the right. You can manually fill them in or click Generate for the platform to complete them, providing suitable captions. It can also generate relevant hashtags for the post. You can further adjust the caption and hashtags using the Generate with AI option. Decide whether to publish immediately or schedule for later by choosing the time zone and setting the desired date and time. Click Save to set the custom schedule and proceed to schedule it. The story is now scheduled. Check the scheduled projects by opening the calendar. Click the More icon on the left console and click Publish to find your scheduled post. At this point, you can delete or modify the post before it's published, and that's how easily you can create and send a post from the platform to your social media channels.